Welcome to our channel. In the contemporary, fast-paced environment, it is crucial to seek opportunities for tranquility and serenity. Clarity can often feel daunting. This is where the transformative power of sound and frequency meditation comes into play. Frequency meditation is a practice that harnesses the power of sound frequencies to promote relaxation, enhance focus, and improve overall well-being. By tuning into specific frequencies, practitioners can create a harmonious environment encouraging mental and physical healing. The significance of frequency meditation lies in its ability to align the mind and body, fostering a state of balance essential for optimal health. This practice encompasses more than mere moments of silence. It involves deeper contemplation and introspection. It involves actively engaging with sound, a commitment that can facilitate a deeper connection with oneself. Our content will equip you with practical techniques that seamlessly fit into your daily routines. From singing bowls and tuning forks to listening to binaural beats and guided meditations, these techniques are easily accessible and can be practiced at your convenience. Each method offers unique benefits, whether it's stress reduction, improved concentration, or emotional healing. One key benefit is that frequency meditation offers individuals the opportunity to attain a state of relaxation, which is one of its key benefits. Stress can accumulate in our busy lives, leading to physical tension and mental fatigue. Frequency meditation provides a pathway to release this tension, allowing the body to relax and rejuvenate. As viewers explore these techniques, they will discover how to create a calming atmosphere that encourages deep relaxation and mental clarity. Furthermore, aligning the mind and body is a cornerstone of overall health. When we engage in frequency meditation, we not only calm our minds but also send healing vibrations throughout our bodies. This alignment can lead to improved physical health, better emotional regulation, and greater well-being, underscoring the holistic benefits of frequency meditation. In summary, frequency meditation is a potent tool for enhancing mental and physical health. By learning and practicing these techniques, viewers can unlock a deeper sense of relaxation and focus, which ultimately leads to a more balanced and fulfilling existence. So, get ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing powered by the transformative influence of sound. Watch until the end of the video to learn how to access more information about various kinds of frequency therapies. Let's begin by understanding frequencies. To fully appreciate the role of specific frequencies in meditation, it's essential to first define sound frequencies. Sound frequencies refer to the sound waves propagating through the air, which are subsequently detected by the human auditory system. These vibrations are measured in hertz, and they can significantly influence our mental and physical states. Listening to specific frequencies can affect our brainwave patterns, leading to various states of consciousness, from deep relaxation to heightened focus. Meditation uses different frequencies to enhance the experience and promote well-being. One popular method is binaural beats, which present two marginally different frequencies in each ear. Through this process, the brain interprets a third frequency, the difference between the two. Depending on the frequencies used, this phenomenon can help synchronize brainwaves, leading to relaxation, focus, or even deep sleep. For example, binaural beats in the alpha range, 812 Hz, promote relaxation and creativity, while those in the theta range, 48 Hz, can facilitate deep meditation and introspection. Another significant category of frequencies used in meditation is solfeggio frequencies. These specific tones have been used for centuries in sacred music and are believed to have healing properties. Each solfeggio frequency corresponds to a particular aspect of healing and well-being. For instance, 528 Hz is often called the love frequency and is associated with transformation and DNA repair, while 396 Hz is linked to liberating guilt and fear. Practitioners use these frequencies to create a meditative environment that fosters emotional healing and spiritual growth, providing a comforting support system. The science behind how these frequencies promote relaxation and focus lies in their ability to influence brainwave activity. When exposed to specific sound frequencies, the brain can enter different states of consciousness. For example, lower frequencies can induce alpha and theta brainwave states associated with relaxation, creativity, and deep meditation. This shift in brainwave patterns can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. In summary, understanding the role of specific frequencies in meditation opens possibilities for enhancing mental and physical well-being. By incorporating techniques like binaural beats and solfeggio frequencies into your practice, you can harness the power of sound to promote relaxation, focus, and overall health. Exploring these frequencies serves as valuable tools on your journey toward greater self-awareness and inner peace. Next, let's review a guided meditation practice. Welcome to this guided meditation session, where we will explore specific frequencies, calming and restorative power. Before we begin, I invite you to locate a tranquil area where you can comfortably sit or recline. Ensure you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes, fully immersing yourself in this experience. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes and take a moment to relax your body. Now let's start by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nostrils, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. Hold that breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing any tension or stress to dissipate. Repeat this deep breathing a few more times, feeling your body relax more with each exhale. As you breathe, tune into the frequencies guiding you during this meditation. For this session, we will use a frequency of 432 Hz, known for its calming and harmonizing effects. Imagine this frequency enveloping you like a warm blanket, bringing peace and tranquility. As you breathe deeply, visualize the sound waves flowing through your body, washing away any negativity or distractions. Now let's begin the meditation. Inhale deeply once more, and as you exhale, imagine releasing thoughts cluttering your mind. Picture them floating away like leaves on a gentle stream. As one inhales, one should allow oneself to descend further into a state of relaxation. Please focus on the sound of the frequency, letting it resonate within you. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention to your breath and the soothing sound. As you settle into this meditative state, take a moment to notice how your body feels. Are there any areas of tension? With each exhale, visualize those areas softening and releasing. Allow the frequency to guide you deeper into relaxation, creating a harmonious connection between your mind and body. Continue to breathe deeply, focusing on the rhythm of your breath and the calming frequency. Let go of any lingering thoughts or worries. Embrace this moment of stillness and peace. Stay meditative for a few more minutes, allowing the frequency to work its magic. When you're ready to conclude the session, kindly gradually redirect your focus to the current moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of calm and balance as you move through your day. Thank you for joining this guided meditation practice, and may you continue to explore the transformative power of frequencies in your journey toward well-being. Now let's discuss the benefits of frequency meditation in more detail. Incorporating frequency meditation into your daily life can offer many advantages that significantly enhance your overall well-being. One of the most notable benefits is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. In our fast-paced world, stress has become a shared experience, often leading to feelings of overwhelm and unease. Frequency meditation provides a powerful tool to combat these feelings. Individuals can achieve a state of profound relaxation by engaging with specific sound frequencies, allowing the body to release tension and the mind to quiet down. Numerous studies have indicated that a regular practice regimen can effectively reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, leading to a more balanced emotional state. Moreover, frequency meditation has the potential to enhance concentration and mental clarity. In a society filled with distractions, maintaining focus can be challenging. The rhythmic nature of sound frequencies helps to synchronize brainwaves, promoting a state of heightened awareness. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with attention issues or struggle to concentrate on tasks. By incorporating frequent meditation into your routine, you can tackle your daily responsibilities more quickly and efficiently. Numerous testimonials and studies support the effectiveness of frequency meditation. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine revealed that the participants who engaged in sound meditation experienced significant reductions in anxiety and improvements in mood. Many individuals have graciously shared their personal experiences, highlighting how frequency meditation has transformed their lives. One participant noted that after just a few weeks of practice, they felt more centered and less reactive to stressors. Another reported improved sleep quality and greater peace throughout the day. Additionally, frequency meditation can foster emotional healing. Many practitioners have found that engaging with specific frequencies allows them to process and release pent-up emotions, leading to greater emotional freedom. This aspect of frequency meditation can be particularly beneficial for those coping with trauma or unresolved issues. In summary, the benefits of incorporating frequency meditation into daily life are profound. These benefits range from stress and anxiety reduction to improved concentration and mental clarity. This approach embodies a comprehensive perspective on overall well-being. Supported by scientific studies and personal testimonials, frequency meditation can serve as a valuable tool for people looking to improve their mental and emotional well-being. Incorporating this practice into your routine can enable you to develop a more profound sense of balance and harmony. As we wrap up our exploration of frequency meditation, we must recap the key points we've discussed and highlight the profound impact this practice can have on the mind and body. Frequency meditation offers numerous benefits, including significant reductions in stress and anxiety, enhanced concentration and mental clarity, and emotional healing. By engaging with specific sound frequencies, you can establish an environment that fosters tranquility and improves the overall sense of well-being, allowing you to successfully navigate the challenges encountered in daily life with increased ease. Incorporating frequency meditation into your daily routine can lead to transformative changes. Regular practice helps you manage stress and fosters a deeper connection between your mind and body. You may discover unique benefits that resonate with your personal journey as you explore different frequencies, such as binaural beats and solfeggio tones. Exploring the various frequencies can profoundly impact your meditation practice and general state of being. Harnessing the healing properties of different frequencies can enrich your meditation experience and contribute to your overall well-being. We encourage you to make frequency meditation a regular part of your life. Set aside a few minutes each day to immerse yourself in the soothing sounds and allow yourself to unwind. Consistency is vital. Whether you meditate in the morning, establishing a positive tone for the day is beneficial. In the evening, it's valuable to unwind and engage in introspection. The more you practice, the more you will notice the positive effects on your mental clarity, emotional balance, and physical health. If you find this video helpful and inspiring, we invite you to engage with our content further. Kindly consider subscribing to our channel for further insights and guided practices related to frequency meditation and holistic well-being. Remember to like this video and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these techniques. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the healing message through sound. Please use the link in the video description below to learn more about a wide variety of frequency-based therapeutic options. Our affiliation with Spooky2, a leading provider of frequency solutions, allows our viewers to find the right frequency therapies and support our channel simultaneously. Additionally, check out our related content, where you can find more guided meditations, mindfulness tips, and information about different frequencies. Together, we can create a community focused on personal growth and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey into frequency meditation. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.